In part 5 of the pet directive, this is an opportunity for you to tell somebody else some clues that they should keep an eye out for in finding a new permanent home for your pet if that should become necessary. So this is one of those, sliding scales. So if you mark 1, it is, do not agree, not so important. And part 5, if you circle 5, it's strongly agree. So you only need to do 1 circle per line. So things like, does your pet get along well with children? So if someone had to find a permanent home for your pet, should they look for a place with children, or is this pet really somebody who should only be placed with adults? Would your pet like to have a quiet home, or do they want a home where there's a lot of hustle and bustle? Should the pet be kept with their siblings? I know it's harder to perhaps place an animal if they're kept with their siblings, but I can't tell you how many clients have told me specifically, if something were to happen to me, my 2 animals need to be placed together because they've been together since they were pups or since they were kittens. So if that's really important, that's a place for you to mark, for example, number 5. Access to a yard is important. Some animals are indoor, outdoor, don't need access to a yard. Go ahead and put that information there. How much do they need daily exercise? This is of varying importance depending on the animal, and whether they should be placed in a home with other pets. So this is a place for you to give, your subjective feedback on finding a more permanent, second, loving home for your animal. And if there's anything that wasn't addressed in here, feel free to write it on the margins or on the last page, just so that someone can have a sense as to what would be important if they needed to find another home for your animal. I hope you found part 5 helpful, and thank you so much for watching this.